Hello, this is my tutorial for Can't Stop the Feeling from Trolls by Justin Timberlake. The right hand thumb needs to be on C and the middle finger on E. Play those two notes at the same time. That gives us the chord of C. We're going to play that chord and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the left hand. So the left hand thumb also goes on C. So we've got the right hand thumb on middle C, and then the left hand thumb is on the next C down that you can find, which is there. Both C's, remember, are on the left hand side of the two black keys, so they look the same. So just looking at the left hand now, thumb is on C, the next note will be with the middle finger, and that note is A. Try to remember that middle finger is A here. Then the next note will be little finger, and that is F. Then after the F we go back to the middle finger for A before we go back to C. So let me show you the 4 notes. C, A with middle finger, third finger, F, and A again, and that's our 4 notes. C, A, F, A. Play those with me while we count to 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start again with the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try both hands at the same time. So the right hand just plays C and E, and it keeps playing C and E. The left hand is going to change notes. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to practice that on your own, pause the video and practice it now. Okay, so next we're going to try a different chord in the right hand. So you move your third finger down to the D. So we're still going to use the thumb and the third finger, fingers 1 and 3. We're still going to use those, but the third finger goes down to the D now, and your thumb goes down to the B and then to the B flat, which is the black one. The B flat is the third black one. Where you've got a set of 3 black keys, it's the third one. So you put your thumb on the third one, that's B flat, and your middle finger is now between the 2 black notes on D. See if you can find those and play them. Pause the video if you need to. So we're going to play those and count to 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then move your thumb and your third finger back up to the C and the E. And we count to 4 as well. So let's do that together. We're going to play the B flat chord, B flat and D with thumb and third finger. And then we're going to play the C chord, C and E with thumb and third finger. And we're going to count to 4 on each one. Okay, starting with the B flat chord. So start with your thumb on the B flat. Here we go. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat chord again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to, pause the video and practice that on your own. Okay, let's do the B flat chord again, but with the left hand. So the left hand, your thumb is just going to play C every time. It's just going to stay on C. Here we go. So B flat chord in the right, with your thumb on the B flat, left thumb on the C. After 4, I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand goes back to the B flat chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then changes back again. Let's try that again. After 4, so the right hand starts with the B flat chord. Left hand thumb stays on C. I'll count us in. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand moves up to C and E. 2, 3, 4. Back to B flat and D. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause the video and practice on your own if you need to. Okay, so we're going to go from the beginning now. And we're going to do this pattern. Let me just show you before we do it. We're going to do this pattern. We're going to do that pattern 5 times. After we've done it 5 times, we go straight to the B flat chord. And we do B flat chord to C chord. And we do that twice. There you go. So 5 times on the first pattern and 2 times on the other pattern. Let's try it together. Here we go. So start with thumbs on C. I'll count us in after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. That's once. That's twice. That's 3 times. Times, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go to the B flat chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and C chord. 1, Do that again. B flat chord. How did you do? Did you manage to follow all that? If you didn't, pause the video and practice it on your own. Then rewind and have another go playing it with me. Right, so after we've done the B flat to C chord twice, we have to do an A flat chord. I'm going to show you the A flat chord. It looks a little bit like the B flat chord. The B flat chord was thumb on a black note, middle finger on a white note. And the A flat chord is very similar, but it's the next black note down, and this finger will be on the next white note down. So it's just one note lower. So your thumb is now on the middle of the 3 black, which is called A flat. And your middle finger, you've probably noticed now, is on C. Just pause the video and see if you can find those 2 notes. Okay, so once you've played the A flat chord, you're going to move up 1 to the B flat and the D. So the thumb and the 3rd finger will move up 1 to the B flat chord. So A flat chord, then move up to the B flat chord. And we're just going to do that pattern once, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only do that pattern once. Why don't you pause the video and practice that? Okay, while we're doing the A flat chord to the B flat chord, our left hand does something new. We're going to use our 2nd finger for the first time. And you're going to put that 2nd finger on the B flat, which is the 3rd of the 3 black down here. And you'll keep playing that one like this. So here's the A flat chord, playing a B flat with my 2nd finger here. And then I change to the B flat chord and I'm still playing B flat here. Okay, so let's try and play the whole thing all the way through. I'm going to have drums playing in the background. I'll just show you what they sound like. We get 4 clicks and then we start. Let me show you. Okay, does that make sense? Let me show you again. Okay, that was just showing you. So we'll do it for real now. Remember, the first pattern we go around 5 times. Then the second pattern is B flat chord to C chord 2 times while you're playing C with your thumb. And then the last pattern is A flat chord to B flat chord while playing B flat. And you do that 1 time. If you're still not sure, go over the video again and practice it all. Make sure you're really good at it and you really know what you're doing before you try to play with me now with the drums. Okay, if you feel ready, let's go. Get your hands ready. Get your middle finger ready and your little finger ready over here. And here are the drums. Here's the 4 clicks. One more time on that pattern. B flat chord now. And again. A flat chord. Okay, so I haven't shown you that last little bit, but I'll show you that in lessons. Great, I hope that was helpful. If you still find it difficult, just rewind the video, go through it again, and I can help you in your lesson when I see you. Thank you, bye.